Yo, rolling, ako nga pala ang inyong lingkod na ngayon ay nasa harap ng camera na siya rin nasa likod. Andito tayo ngayon sa Arayat, Pampanga. At dito sa kinakatayan ko ngayon, kung saan kayo tatrangka.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Arayat Drug Race Track para mag-testing.
Para masubukan ang ilaw na galing sa Thailand.
Kami naka-first time na ilaw dyan sa Pilipinas, yung galing pa ng Thailand. Ayos siya, maganda. Matino pa naman yung paggagawa ng danya. Siya yung iba maalon eh.
Maganda yung kalsada dito.
And first time namin makawaras ng kamukha sa Thailand.
For this system, right, you don't need to do any calibration at all. Just make sure that when you turn off, turn on the controller, it shows the system that you want to have a race, RT and ET or NGO.
Dito naman, pagka nag-oras ka dito, di mo na kailangan magdala ng GPS kasi gawa nung meron ng sariling oras dito kada takbo.
And then team A. So this is the receipt for printing. Team B. And this is the receipt for...
Ito yung huling takbo namin eh. Po pala ang 3L Garage Ligaw Racing Team. Nagpapasalamat po kami kay Boss Earl dahil kay Boss Earl nagkaroon ng Arayat Drug Avenue na Mala, Thailand. Perfect. Perfect.
I'm gonna teach you everything. อันนี้มีกี่โหมด กี่โหมดในการแข่ง
เดี๋ยวมันที่จริงมันใช้มี2โหมดเลย
Okay. For all the light right there, you can have the second that you want. If you want the green light to be longer or yellow light to be longer, it's up to you. You can control here.
Tapos meron din nakalagay din
Sa
sa
retail.
retail.
Yan, may resibo tayo, sir. Order nyo.